The sneaker guarantees comfort and style on and off the pitch thanks to its breathable mesh upper and streamlined form. The long history of one of Major League Baseball's most illustrious teams is celebrated through the subtle use of the team's emblem and other branding components, as well as the use of the Red Sox's signature colors. In addition to being a functional piece, the Air Max 270's iconic air unit in the heel guarantees unparalleled cushioning, making it ideal for flaunting your team spirit with every step. The Nike Air Max 270 Boston Red Sox version is a spectacular example of the fusion of urban fashion and athleticism, going beyond aesthetics and team spirit. This blend of fashion and sport appeals to both ardent baseball fans and sneakerheads who are drawn to projects that have a narrative. Nike's meticulous attention to detail is apparent in each stitch and material selection, which honors a legendary franchise while being made to endure daily wear. SRP is $160.